If you have been told that you have fatty liver disease, or your liver enzymes have been elevated but you feel fine, and you have asked your doctors about how to reverse this fatty liver disease but they are unable to prescribe you a medication, then listen carefully. The first thing you need to know, fatty liver disease doesn't start in your liver. It's actually a metabolic and inflammatory problem that ultimately shows up as fatty liver disease. Now here's the good news. Fatty liver is reversible, but you have to fix the right systems which are broken in your body. And this is where in today's video I'm going to share with you 3 science-backed steps which are completely natural that you can do today itself that are going to help improve your fatty liver disease. And no, these are not just simple health trends or these are not just detox your liver. These are actual science-based steps which are going to help improve your fatty liver disease. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. Fatty liver disease is on a rise. Several people have been diagnosed with fatty liver disease, but unfortunately there is no medication to improve the fatty liver disease, so they're looking for ways to reverse it. Now this is where most people don't even understand why fatty liver disease is happening. They feel this fatty liver disease is either because they're drinking too much alcohol or eating too much fat. While in reality, the fatty liver disease is happening because there is too much fat that your liver cannot process. And the reason is because of insulin resistance which is happening in your body because of poor diet as well as no exercise routine in your life. The second reason is high amount of chronic inflammation in your system which overburdens your liver and doesn't let it function. The third reason is poor gut health. Gut and liver are connected intricately, and when your gut health is poor, that ultimately affects your liver. And then in the end, your liver gets sluggish and not able to detoxify properly, and that leads to accumulation of this fat around your liver. Now, why people should be concerned about fatty liver disease? Because if you leave fatty liver disease untreated, then on the long term basis, it can lead to liver failure because the damage to the liver is happening day in, day out. And this is where my 3-step process has helped several people in reversing their fatty liver disease. So let me share with you these 3 easy steps first, and then how you can easily follow on your life that is going to help in improving your fatty liver disease. Step 1 is improving the insulin resistance. Now, most people think insulin is only related to diabetes, but the new research suggests that your insulin levels can be running high much before then you are diagnosed with diabetes. And these high amount of insulin levels in your body ultimately leads to fatty liver disease. So when you have insulin spikes or when your insulin levels are high, then it sends signal to your liver to convert the sugar into the fat. This excess conversion of sugar to the fat gets deposited in your liver cells. Plus, because of this high insulin levels, there is too much inflammation on your liver cells that decreases the efficiency of your liver cells. And that's the first mechanism which starts this process of fatty liver disease. Now, why does insulin spike happens? Because we are eating too much processed food, which can be white flour, lot of sugary snacks, as well as simple carbohydrates, which include bread, as well as anything which is made from simple wheat flour. And plus, when we are eating, we are not combining this simple carbohydrates with either protein or fat. So this is what you need to do today. First of all, reduce the amount of processed food in your diet. The sugary drinks or amount of sugar also needs to decrease. Again, try to limit simple carbohydrates, which are white rice, breads, as well as anything which is made from white wheat flour. And the second thing you need to do is that with every meal you eat, whether it is breakfast, lunch or dinner, you eat non-starchy vegetables like your greens, your cabbages, cauliflowers, broccolis and other vegetables, as well as you eat protein with your meals. Both of these things will reduce that insulin spike, so that will again reduce the accumulation of fat around your liver. And the next thing you can do is that go for 10 to 15 minute gentle walking after your big meals like your lunch or dinner. That is going to significantly reduce the insulin spike and your liver will not accumulate any more fat. So that's the step 1, easy enough. Make sure you eat proteins and vegetables with your meals and go for 10 to 15 minutes walk after your meals. Now let's talk about step 2. The step 2 is reducing the liver inflammation. Whenever inflammation levels are high in your body, it starts damaging your liver cells, and so they are not able to repair themselves. Plus, high amount of inflammation blocks fat burning in your liver, so your liver cannot recycle the fat and cannot burn it. So ultimately it accumulates in your liver as fatty liver. What increases inflammation in your body? Again, eating too much processed food is one reason. Second reason is poor gut health. Third reason is not including foods which actually reduce inflammation in your body. And the last reason is not having any body movement. So how to fix it? First of all, start including foods which keep your inflammation levels low. Out of those foods, the first food over here is start eating turmeric. Turmeric has a compound called curcumin, which not only reduces inflammation in general, but also reduces inflammation in your liver cells. The second food to include is omega-3 fatty acids, which can come from fatty fishes like tuna, salmon, or it can come from vegetarian sources like chia seeds, flax seeds, almonds, and walnuts. Now, to jumpstart your liver healing, I will recommend you to have an anti-inflammatory supplement that has turmeric, ginger, quercetin, boswellia into it. All of these herbs will heal your liver and reduce inflammation into it. This is where I have created a very special supplement called Inflammapro, which have all of these anti-inflammatory herbs in one capsule. The link will be in the description if you want to buy it. After fixing your inflammation in step 2, let's move towards the step 3. The step 3 is healing the liver and the gut connection and also unblocking your detox channels of your liver. Now your liver, as you know, is directly connected to your gut because it helps in digestion of your food as well as it also helps in removing toxins from your gut. Now whenever your gut is not working properly, that causes toxins to accumulate in the liver as well as it also causes increased inflammation in your liver. And as we know, increased inflammation as well as increased toxins results in fatty liver disease. So this is where the step 3 is supporting your gut and your liver detox system. In that aspect, making sure you are eating a lot of fermented foods which are high in probiotics, which can be your dairy-free yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, or any other fermented vegetables, as well as kombucha. Make sure you're having regular bowel movements. If you're not having regular bowel movements, make sure you include a fiber supplement, which can be either psyllium husk or you can either include soaked chia seeds, or the last option is that you can start a magnesium supplement also. To improve the detox of your liver, certain foods are helpful for liver. One of them is turmeric. The second one is green tea. The third food over here are beets. And then comes the green leafy vegetables. All of these will support the liver detox channels too. Couple of supplements which have shown in research studies to be very useful. One of them is milk thistle. Milk thistle has something called silymarin, which several research studies show that can help in reversing the fatty liver disease. So I will highly recommend adding a milk thistle supplement to support your liver. Plus another supplement called choline has shown to reduce the fat accumulation in the liver. So you should also start a choline supplement. And to support your gut health, if you want to include a probiotic supplement, you can always do that. So this is an easy 3-step process which I discussed with you. Now this might feel very overwhelming for a lot of people. Now let me make it really simple of how to implement this 3-step process from tomorrow itself. So basically what you need to do starting tomorrow itself is that you need to reduce the amount of sugar you might be eating, as well as reduce the processed and fried food, as well as try to reduce the simple carbohydrates, which is the white rice, bread, as well as anything made from wheat, and also give up alcohol if possible. Then with each and every meal, including breakfast, lunch, and dinner, make sure you are eating a lot of vegetables as well as also include protein with each meal. And then if possible, go for a 10 to 15 minute walk after your biggest meal. Either it can be your dinner or with your lunch. Then I will highly recommend adding 2 supplements to support your liver. One of them will be milk thistle that is going to support your liver, and the second one will be an anti-inflammatory supplement which is the Inflammapro, which has turmeric, ginger, boswellia, and quercetin into it. That's it. If you do this itself, you will see a significant improvement in your fatty liver disease. You don't have to do extreme diets. You don't have to do extreme workouts. Those typically do not work for people. A sustained and a long-term approach is what is going to help your liver over here. And within few weeks, your liver is going to start working better. That means it is going to accumulate less and less amount of fat, and then ultimately it is going to start burning the fat which has been stored around your liver also. So if you are looking for a natural solution to fix your fatty liver disease, then I have given you a 3-step science-backed system today that targets the root cause of fatty liver disease and is easy to implement for each and every person, and plus it gives results. So start working on this plan from tomorrow itself, and within a few weeks your liver is going to work better, and let's hope in that next blood work your liver enzymes are going to be improved. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.